Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to create an account on the eBay app, so let's jump right in. Open the eBay application on your smart device and let's start creating your account. By opening the eBay application on the home page at the bottom of the screen, look for the profile that says My eBay and then click on it. Then on the next page at the very top, you can notice the option, Sign In, which you will click. Clicking on the Sign In option will open a new page where you can enter several fields in the lower part of the screen. We need the Create an Account option that you will click on. Then on the next page, also in the drop-down menu, you can see several fields where you will be taken down to the Create with Email option and click on it. The application will open a new page where you can see several fields in which you will insert your email address, username and last name, and then click on the Continue option. By clicking on the Continue option, the application will ask you to enter your password. After entering the password, you have to click on the Create an Account option. And there it is. You have successfully created your account on the eBay application. Now you're ready to start exploring the world of buying and selling on eBay. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more app tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.